Nothing in life is easy, and this definitely has not been an easy day. Alrighty. And for some reason we gave them chocolate cookies. Not the smartest thing we could ever have done. As you can see, we have chocolate everywhere. Some creepy Muslim stopped and tried to talk to me. Sorry for him. I am not interested in Muslims. Never have been, never will be. Sorry. Sorry about his luck. I'm interested in one thing, souls. That's it, nothing else. Come on, Bethel. Stay close. Nothing more, nothing less. So we have to finish up this road. Did not get finished. Lions. Come on. I think we did those. I think we gotta go down to these ones where we left off. Come on. We gotta go down here to where we left off. We're getting a stare by everybody. Come on. Yeah, we left off here. Yep. Okay. Come on, Beth. Getting this awkward stare from people. Great. See that? Come on. Let's go, Bethel. Hold on to my stroller so you don't get lost. Getting stared down. I taught Bethel to say down doggy. The creepy guys that stare me down. She now says down doggy.
Down doggy.
Say down doggy. Leave my mommy alone. Say leave my mommy alone. Okay. Why did we give you cookies, Dio? Why? It's not a good idea. Oh, what a mess. Would never give you cookies. I asked for no chocolate too, but they were out. So, whatever. The way my life goes. Okay. Come with Mama Beth. Stay close. Yeah, everything goes much smoother with Gio sitting down. Sit down, Gio. Sit down. Sit down.
I found it.
You're not getting out today, Gio. Mommy can't handle that. Sit down, Gio. Sit down. Alright. Turn you around and rebuckle you. Come on. Sit down, man. We're not going to play this game today. Oh, boy.
Ah, tiger is a tiger. Tiger. Ah, tiger. A tiger on me.
Oh, a tiger. Oh, yeah, there's all sorts of fun things out here. We like taking walks out here. Walking around our neighborhood gets boring, so another reason we like coming out here. And there's a little park I'm probably going to take them over to when we're done. More Islamic paraphernalia on the front of these houses. Big shot. Okay, hold on to my stroller. I'm going across the road.
Yay! Please!
Okay.
Please!
Yeah, Mom will take you there to play when we're done. Look at that. Nice little park there. Yeah, when we're all done, you can go to the park and play. Stay with me and Gio. Stay there. Just gonna leave that for you down here. Yep. Let's go. It is cement work. Like Daddy does. Cement work. Mommy and Daddy have done that.
Mommy and Daddy.
Yeah. Mommy knows how to make steps. Which is a lot of fun, but it's rough on my skin. Ouch.
Scratch it.
Okay, let's go.
What's this?
I'd much rather be taking care of you guys than doing that.
Just peel it and scratch.
But we gotta do what we gotta do when we gotta do it, so. Okay. Stay by me. This dude keeps staring Mama down like he's gonna confront us. We'll see what happens. You're gonna do something creepy or something mean. It always is. Okay. I don't even know how to get to this part. This is weird. Really weird. Okay. How do these people even get in that house? Question that I have. Sit down, Joe. Sit. Sit down. Sit down. Yeah. Sit down. Sit down. You're not climbing out. Sit down. You're not climbing out. Nope. You don't climb out. No, you don't. You sit down. Alright, we're leaving these. Leaving these behind for people to read. Yep. Okay, come on. Yep. Go, Basil. Come on. They're angels. Yeah. That's what we're about. Angels.
A horsey. A dog. Dog.
Leaving these and going. Let's go.
A dog.
Out of here. Stay there. Don't touch it. Yeah, but they don't want you messing with their stuff. Leave it alone. You're igniting. Yeah. Come on. Muslims kind of go the extra mile when it comes to doing their porches. A lot of them. Not all of them, but a lot of them. Come on. Get up, Theo. Sit down. You stay in that stroller. I'm not letting you out today. You're not coming out to harass Mommy today. Nope. We're not harassing Mommy today. Mommy can't handle no more. She's had enough. Okay, so I think when we finish out these houses, we're done with this whole street. I don't know. That situation seemed weird. I didn't want to talk to that guy. A little too happy for me. Come on, out of it. No, come back and sit. We just got Gio that car in red. So he wants it. Nope, sit down. Sit down. You're not getting the car. There's no way. Not gonna happen. It's somebody else's car. It's her wagon, not yours. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Okay, come on. Come on, we are going. Here, Beth, you want to do this one? You can go leave one up there. Leave this one up here. Looks like a nice place. You can leave one there. Leave it up there and come back down. Don't touch anything. Gio, sit back in your seat. Sit down. Leave it there and come back. Yeah, it's for birdies. It's a bird feeder. Leave that there and come back. Very good. Come on. Come on down. Let's go. Yep. Come on. Come on. We're going. So, here. I'm leaving this one here. You guys stay in your seats. We're getting out of here. No. No, no, no. Get back in your seat. Sit down. Gotta buckle you back up. Come on, Beth. Oh, you guys make life hard. Where do they get all these? I'd like to know. Is there like a special website? MohammedFlag.com or something? How do they get them? That's my question.
Look at it, the hammer.
Yeah, it's the hammer again. You don't like it. I
And
don't like it.
that's pizza.
I don't like it. I don't like it. I like
That's
Jesus.
pizza.
I like Jesus.
I don't like it.
Hold on to Gio. Wait. Hold on to the stroller.
I don't like it.
Before we go across. I don't like it. I like Jesus. I don't like that. Let's go across. You can get out of here.
I don't like it.
Okay.
I like Jesus.
Gonna drive you guys down to the park and play for a little bit. But that was our day today here in Dearborn.